Today we're going to go over our calendar. So the first part of our calendar is our months of the year. Repeat the months of the year after me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. What month are we in? We are in the month of November. Now we're going to say our days of the week. Repeat the days of the week after me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So yesterday was Sunday. So if yesterday was Sunday, what is today? Today is Monday. If today's Monday, what will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Okay, now we're going to count our date. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, so we're going to say the whole thing. Today is Monday, November 16th, 2020. The first page of your activity is going to be this video where you'll see us going over all of this information. When you go to the second page, you're going to see what you need to fill in. So up here, you'll put the month. And down here, you'll put the day of the week. Today is, and what is today? And then you'll move your arrow to the date. On the very last page, this is our sign-in for the day. So it says, write your name. So you'll use one of these pencils or markers down here, and you will write your name in the box. When you're all finished, you press the check mark to complete it. I hope you have a great day.